This is Carrot the Healthier Way Alive, and I'm a health success. And today I will be making cupcakes. It's By Cupcakes mix and they're great. I remember Miss Phil's cookies back in school. But they made the cookies, and these are the Miss Phil's cupcakes. I really enjoyed them back in the day. Why? I was like, wow. It brought back a lot of memories of Miss Phil's cookies desserts. Buying them from the lunch food beanery. Why? And now I am preparing Miss Phil's cupcakes in my kitchen. I just wanted all to know how quick and easy why it is to have great tasting desserts in minutes for yourself and others. It's also great for daily-wide dietary. You can also choose any kind of desserts, brands, and prepare them as the directions on the box and using baking tools. It's quick and easy to bake cupcakes, cookies, brownies, and more. Pastries are great also. And all of these are at our convenience. With our stovey, oven, and the convenience of the mixture. You can buy them at the local stores or online. And have desserts and more, just about at any time. Happy yummy why. Until next time, this is Carrot the Healthier Way Alive. Have a great day, why.